This is how you can use the AI assistant in your mind maps. Ayoa's AI assistant is there to help you at every step of the way as you're expanding your mind maps. Whether you're working on your next essay or planning a product launch with your team, you'll never run out of ideas again. Whenever you need inspiration or feel stuck, the AI assistant is here to help you. When working on a map, select any branch where you'd like more ideas and then click on the AI icon to get new ideas for your project. Type your request and the AI will generate the answers. Select the ideas you'd like to add to your map. The AI assistant will instantly add more branches to your existing map, so you can easily expand your project. You can also summarize any text as branches directly in your map. Simply select the branch where you'd like to add your summary, click on the AI icon, and then select Summary. Type or paste your text. Toggle the Notes option off if you want to see the full detailed summaries displayed directly on your branches, or keep notes on if you prefer compact maps with more detailed branch notes. You can also use the AI assistant to add more ideas inside your map's notes. Select a branch and click on the Notes icon. When you need inspiration, click on the AI icon and type your request to get more ideas. You can also summarize any text and add the main ideas to your notes panel inside the AI menu. Click on Summarize, add your text, then let the AI assistant do the work for you.